Hi everyone, so let's start with determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, we are given a matrix A to be what? A, B, C, D, right? Now to find the determinant, now this one is going to be what? Determinant of A, right? Just do what? A times what? D. Put your minus what? 6 times what? C times B, which is what? CB. Okay, this is the formula. A times D minus what? C times B. So look at it. Now look at this example now. Follow this formula above now. We want to calculate the what? Determinant of this matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, right? We just say what? 1 times 4. 1 times 4 minus 2 times 3, right? Now 1 times 4 is 4. 4 minus 6. So the answer is what? Minus 2. 1 times 4, right? Minus 4, 3 times 2. Okay. Now look at this question now. If a matrix 2y 3 4 equal to minus 1, find y. To solve this one now, just do what? 2 times what? 2 times 4 minus 3 times what? Y equal to minus 1, right? 2 times 4 is 8 minus 3y equal to what? Minus 1. Correct the like terms here. Here I can see 8 plus 1 equal to what? 3y. 8 plus 1, 9 equal to what? 3y. Okay. Now 3y equal to what? 9. Dividing both sides by what? By 3. Y is equal to what? 3. Okay, we are done with this. Now look at this third example here. We are given determinants 5, 3, y2 equals to 3, 5, 4, 5. Find y. By following the rules, it means what? We are going to see what? 5 times 2 minus what? 3 times what? 3 times y. Okay, equal to 3 what? 3 times 5, right? Minus 4 what? 4 times y. Okay, now 5 times 2 is 10 minus 3y equal to 15 minus what? 20. Okay, 10 minus 3y. 15 minus 20 is minus 5. So correct the like terms. Here I can say minus 3y equal to what? Minus 5. Here this one become what? Minus 10. Minus 3y minus 5 minus 10. This one will be what? Minus 15. Now the coefficient of y is what? Minus 3. Dividing both sides by what? By minus 3. Minus 15 over minus 3. Here the final answer is going to be what? Y equal to what? 5. Please kindly follow, like, comment and share. Bye.